We're géad fáilte is teaga agra an fíor speisialta the Fleadh Fest agus muidir céile a ceol, rinca agus aráníochta fud fad an Conde. The Fleadh always holds a special place in our hearts, and while we're not meeting in person this year, we are together in unity as we look back and reflect on the work that has been done to keep music, song and dance alive in the county. This year's Fleadh Fest is a celebration of our traditional music culture, and we look forward to sharing that with you with the music, song and dance of our county. We have 7 branches of Comhaltas Comhaltaí Éireann here in Monaghan, so let us bring you on a journey around County Monaghan as we make our céilí with each one of them. Buin Sult As.
A cardja Colm Ó Cartaigh an seo cahirlach den Corley Condim Winnacon. Ba while fáilte a corriv an lucht fecánte go dtí cor I láthair Fleadh Fest ó Condim Winnacon. Agus tásúla go money sibh sult as an cúlarú seo de himachtaí Comhaltas in our Conde haar na blianta. Colm Carty is my name. I'm the current Cahirlach of Monaghan County Council. I'd like to welcome viewers to this Fleadh Fest presentation from County Monaghan. And I hope you all enjoyed the celebrations of Comhaltas activities in our county over the years. Bé mé ag súil leis an am nuair atá muid in an teach le chéile agus sult amháint as geol tradiisiúnta go physicúil arís. I look forward to a time when we can gather again and enjoy our traditional music in person. Go raibh míle maith agah.
Gia Cardja, Heather Humphreys and Shaw. And I want to send my very best wishes to the members of the 7 Monaghan branches of Comhaltas Comhaltaí Éireann. I have had the privilege of opening the County Fleadh on a number of occasions, and I know the wonderful work that your organisation does. And I know that you are unable to hold your County Fleadh this year due to COVID. But of course, the pandemic has not dampened your enthusiasm, and I have no doubt your Fleadh next year will be even bigger and better. So I look forward to meeting you all in the near future, and I will continue to support the Monaghan County Board and all 7 branches in whatever way I can. Go nairi an tá libh agus slán go fáil.
County Monaghan's association with music, song and dance is well documented and dates back to the 18th century, with the fiddle and uilleann pipes tradition to the fore. There have been lots of people who have continued the tradition of music in the county through the years. Eamon Murray, one of the founding members of Comhaltas Comhaltaí Éireann, James Whitehouse and Bernard Barney Bogue collected and noted the music of the Slieve Bay area, those upland moors which form the boundary between Monaghan, Fermanagh and Tyrone. These manuscripts were brought to life once more by Sean McIlwain's doctorate, highlighting the contribution of Whiteside and Bogue to Irish traditional music in the early years of the 20th century. Towns and areas such as Monaghan Town, Clones, Castleblaney, Carduff, Profira, Ballabay, Marracloon, Carrickmacross, Annamullen, Kirkcahan, Emmyvale and Tully Corbett have kept the tradition of music, song and dance alive in the county. Let's hear more about that tradition.
Yeah, big hand for Corner and Chip Monaghan.
We start our journey with Annamullen, 14 miles from Monaghan town, where Annamullen Comhaltas Comhaltaí Éireann was formed in 1985. It was a successful, vibrant and active branch until 2008, winning many All-Ireland titles, individual and marching band awards. The branch was reformed in 2010 by a committee of former and new members. Over the years, Annamullen Comhaltas Comhaltaí Éireann has been very successful at County Fleadh, Ulster Fleadh and at All-Ireland Fleadh level. Many of the branch members and teachers have All-Ireland titles and medals. Music, song and dance matter to Annamullen, and the hope is that the tradition will stay alive in the area for many years to come. Conéiste le Kitchen Tradiisiún Sin, Seo Annamullen Comhaltas Comhaltaí Éireann.
This is a wee poem called The Fallen Wall, written by my late father, John Ward, in 2003. Jerusalem has its Wailing Wall, famed Delhi has its walls. The Great Wall is in China, but we have a wall that falls. This wall is in the New Car Park between the graves and us, and every time it tumbled down, it created a shock and fuss. The first time that this new wall rolled, by dozens it was said, conditions on great inside, it was pushed out by the dead. It went up again in a day or two, by did they cut a dash. They moved the props on Monday morning, and it all come down in a crash. They took a little longer then, they did the best they could. It stayed up for 6 months or so, but it scattered like owl wood. It wasn't the boys from Shrinky, nor the boys from Bellatrain, but Mickey McGinn, he did step in, and he built that wall again. This man uses steel and shuttering to make the concrete strong. He says you can't build without them, boys, he has got the whole thing wrong. He served his time to the building trade, so he's got the right know-how, and guaranteed it'll still be there in 100 years from now. Go to Michael.
I lost the way now, I can no longer carry this morning's tempest I have to cross. I must be guided without a stop into the arms I love. And when he came to his true love's dwelling, he knelt down gently upon a stone, and through her wedding door he whispered low, "Is my true love within?"
We head south now in the county to Carrickmacross, a market town and home of one of the oldest Comhaltas branches in the county. The Carrickmacross branch of Comhaltas Comhaltóirí Éireann was formed in the latter part of 1972. In the early years, music was centred in McCabe's Loft, which hosted visiting musicians and had plenty of sessions. An Osterfla took place in the town in 1975. 49 years on, the branch is still alive and active. Music tuition takes place in the workhouse in Carrickmacross, while classes in sean-nós and set dancing are held in the community centre in Corduff. Members participate in the various FLA competitions at all ages. The branch cooperates with Tullycorbett Comhaltas Comhaltóirí Éireann to enter Céilí bands and Rúpi Ceol in the competitions as Ceoltóirí Drumlin, achieving success at county, provincial and All-Ireland levels. The tradition of music and dance is very much to the fore in this Comhaltas branch. Clushma Janish Ó Crave, Carrick Vicar Arush. distance south of Monaghan town lies the village of Kirkahan, where Kirkahan Coltis was founded in 1985. The club went from strength to strength early on, with the under-12 Cayley band crowned All-Ireland champions in 1989. The club has had great success both at individual and at group level, winning numerous county, Ulster and All-Ireland titles in music and song. A hugely successful feature of the branch has been their annual concerts, tutorials and feshina that have existed since the branch's formation. This has inspired so many people in the area and beyond to excel, develop their talent and progress to being masters in the field of traditional music and song. The branch, now in its 36th year, continues to provide a culture of music and song within the branch and local community. Clushba Danish own Coltis branch, Kirkahan.
With my days away for what? For someone to say well done, for someone to say good job. Well, that's not for me.
But before your career started, you haven't always been a guitar man, right?
No, I wasn't. I was 1,000 things. I started playing the fiddle when I was a young age, playing the violin when I was about 6 or 7 years of age, playing Irish traditional music, you know. So that's where I started music first, and and then I just took it from there. I found the guitar then, after a while.
And on top, you have been a member of the Riverdance project as a dancer. Huh?
I was.
Another passion of yours?
A passion, I don't know. It was more of a. I can't remember learning Irish dancing. I've come from a very traditional family, so they pushed me into Irish dancing when I was younger, about 3 years old or something, and then the fiddle as well. So I was a part of that. I got the chance when I was 16 to join it, and then I was with them for about 6 years. I was on Broadway for a couple of years as well. So
you traveled a lot, and did you benefit from that somewhere?
Yeah, I benefited big time from it. You know, I learned an awful lot being on the road and being around a production and being on stage, and you know, learning how to act on stage and stuff like that there. So yeah, I learned an awful lot when I was young.
that she on the banks of a river near a weeping ash tree. I step ahead up to her, saying, are you Queen of Love? Or are you Diana that comes from above? I'm a lone shepherd's daughter from Camla Domain, and I came here to walk on the green Rossmore plains.
Says I, my wee lassie, dare I make so free as for to invite you into my company, all alone in those green woods where would be seen a plucking those sweet nuts from the hazel so green. I laid my head down on her snowy white breast, saying, I cling fair maid, I am sorely oppressed, but if I can have you, I vow and declare, in the space of a short time, my garments you'll wear. I won't wear your garments, young man, she replied. I won't wear your garments, but I'll be your bride. Then we'll leave these green woods where we'll ne'er more be seen, a-pulling the sweet nuts from the hazel so green. So farewell to you, Camla, place I respect. Likewise to Holland and old Ballyleck. No more through those green woods my horn it will sound. So I now bid adieu to the cry of the hound. On the top of yon high hill my love's castle does stand. It is well decorated from the top to the sand, with Scotstone and marble and the lights burning bright. Sure it's a guide to all players to Rossmore at night.
Emmyvale is situated on the Monaghan-Tyrone border with music, song and dance, an integral part of Emmyvale Comhaltas Ceoltóirí Éireann since it was founded in the 1970s. Traditional Irish music can be traced even further back, with renowned collector of Irish traditional music from the Rosslea and Knockatalan area on the Fermanagh-Monaghan border, Bernard Bogue, being stationed at the RIC barracks in Emmyvale in the early part of the last century. There was a tradition of fiddle and pipe playing in the area, with families such as Corrigan, McKenna and Mohan to the fore. Indeed, the Mohan House in Carracrow was a well-known Cayley house. Breda Heaney and Pat McCabe, an All-Ireland flat champion on piano and piano accordion from Clones, began teaching music in the 1970s and thus began a lifelong love of music in the area. Dancing began under the tutelage of Kathleen Coffey and continued by Gerard McQuaid with multiple score and All-Ireland titles won by Monaghan dancers. Gerard McQuaid and his sister Mary Kirk began mentoring children and adults in the art of Irish traditional singing. Both won All-Ireland titles while teaching many who would go on to win an All-Ireland title themselves. This love of our culture shines through in this branch, who have represented their area with pride at county, provincial and All-Ireland level. Tá sin amdúnaí mar sin éisteacht le Emmyvale Comhaltas Ceoltóirí Éireann.
Dús bhí Jack, Cian, Oisín agus Cathy agin ag seanam de Emmyvale Reel. Anois, Patricia McDermott. We would now like to show you some of the ceilidh dancing tradition for which Emmy Vale has become well known. Amelia Murphy McCormick has represented our branch at all levels in the various Comhaltas competitions and won her first All-Ireland FLA title in English singing in 1994. Amelia won the Senior Ladies in 2008 and here she sings The Banks of the Clyde.
'Tis Jane, look at me, for you seem not to know me. Then out of his pocket a small wallet he drew, saying, here's 15 shillings as a token I'll give you, since you in my absence have proved loyal and true. And since this good fortune has brought us together, it's tomorrow morning I will make you my bride. And you and I, true lovers, will never be parted. I will live with my Jane on the banks of the Clyde.
Oisín Murphy, our 2018 All-Ireland mandolin winner, is now joined by his brothers Cian and Ryan who will play a jig for us. Thank you to Amy who played Aaron na Laura, agus the Grania who played Miss Thornton's Reel. My Shiva calling you.
As I walk the road from Killishanra, weary I'll sit down, for it's 12 long miles around the lake to get to Cabin Town. The water and the road I go on seem beyond compare, and I curse the time it takes to reach my cabin girl so fair.
Mila Buekas Eving.
Is me sin léonú worca is balmaid an ciste gró de chunar na Gaeilge sa bblion fiche féchéan, fiche fiadó, agus tá marráil don críomh scarb na Gaeilge CCE. Gleach mé páirt is sprí, scór na óg, scór sinsear agus na fleanna ar fein na blianta. Gleach má uncle agus má antín páirt an ar bhééis siad san níosóga, agus fós gacan sé páirt an, bhí má antín críomh na herann don argánaid éonar sa mná sa flá, agus is má uncle an chéadach don críomh scarb na Gaeilge CCE. Díad le arágó me an céad glún eile ag leagadh páirt na comórtas. Bíonn an críomh scarb na Gaeilge an farteach sa comórtas agus tá sin margheall ar an ceann good ach go hairithe Jared Magud. Bíonn tresin ag chur na hairánithe na grúpa d'Austrí agus na grúpa ballad chun tosaí i gcónaí. Agus ag leir trín grúpa ballad tom ansásta fáilte a chur rompu agus iad ag canú an airán tróna aine.
Jack, Lauren and Chloe Murphy, whose dad Fabian is Cahirloch of the branch, have represented Emmy Vale CCE since they started playing music, with Lauren winning the Harp Slow Airs in 2012 and Chloe with a number of All-Ireland titles to her credit, as a member of many dancing teams over the years.
During the 1970s and 1980s, Monaghan had a vibrant cultist branch in the town, and this connection with the past was one of the primary reasons for relaunching Crave Whaile Weenahan in 2010. A connection with Gaelscoil Alton in the town has seen many take part in Cora, with medals received at All-Ireland Flana for their endeavour. Music and singing are also huge traditions in the branch, with success at county, Ulster and All-Ireland level. Since the rebirth of the branch, Killy bands have become part and parcel of the yearly calendar. Monaghan is situated not far from Armagh, and there's a long tradition of members of this cultist branch attending the Armagh Pipers Club and participating in events across Ulster. The branch is just over 10 years old, and everyone looks forward to the time that they can celebrate this anniversary by getting together to play some tunes. Idran Dá Linn, Seo Blasú, Ó Crave Whaile Weenahan.
to where I told you. Nach men trua is me poster as glovi nach legen amak on afren melo siran ojedoni nach jid go jialan alums nach goli geni orlum nach channel and a cream moyen of a glogla Wiki mission by summer touch to grona straki mega conta no shirga laini we met Pogo, my stars feel a fortune. Shallow one just boys can my folks to wear a tire. Here's a Kushna Fariga, told my head Maconi, Exterior, Lundu, oh, Malchin Gotranona. Explain to wear my story, na Visigoni, kind slumps, a hula ship, Marshall, make a hoka, yanu. Summer toshe to grona, yes rocky mega conata, no sheer galani ira. Anacho we me pogo, my stores me la voce. Shallow one just always got my folks to wear a Suga hog me mar galer na punti lon ma yellow visner hosi reeve my engine Nocturna jig and rock the marks my yuck air vaster kiri and chena dano and maragulesha yulu rationini Fuiki mission balisha martashe de grana this rocky mega connecta no sheer galaini ira Anacho me pogo my stores me la focha Shallow one just always cat my folks to wear a Freaky mission balisha martashe de grana this rocky mega connecta no sheer galaini ira Anacho me pogo my stores me la focha Shallow one just always cat
County Monaghan, the Ballia Weenacon under 15 Kelly band at Fleckhill na here in 2017.
We head north in the county to the Eamon O'Murray branch, named after Eamon O'Murray, one of the founding members of Comhaltas Ceoltóirí Éireann. In 1976 the branch was founded, and there's been a tradition of music in the mountain area of the Tidavnet parish since the 18th century. The Whiteside, McCaig, Conley, McIlwain, McCanna, Doherty and Rooney names were among the early families associated with music, in particular the fiddle in the early part of the last century. For over 40 years, the branch has successfully been involved with score and fleadh na ceoil na hÉireann, with Pat McCabe from Clones and later Edel Conley Morrison continue the tradition of teaching music in the area. This has led to multiple All-Ireland successes through the years with past pupils like Thomas Johnson, Michael Rooney, Donal McCaig and Sean McIlwain, winning national awards for their music and their research. As the branch approaches its Golden Jubilee, there's a sense of pride to its contribution to the profile of the community, to the identity of our county, and the pleasure given to the wider public at provincial, national and international level. Clushimid and Ishmar Shin, Ó Craobh Eamon O'Murray.
Mission Pauline Rooney agus Thomain Shah Sawa. I'm here in Scottstown, a small village in the north of Monaghan. The Céad Fáilte Róga, Ligan Shah Guji and Wa. Scottstown has a unique connection with Comhaltas because 3 people from our locality attended the first meeting of Comhaltas in Mullingar in the year 1951. And those 3 people were from this parish, Eamon O'Murray, Podge McKenna and Sean McKenna. And the 3 of those people stepped aside at one stage during that meeting and they came up with the name of Comhaltas, and the name they decided on was Comhaltas Ceoltóirí Éireann. So we are very proud of that we were there from the very beginning. So our branch here in Scottstown was formed in 1976 with Pat McCabe from Clones as the tutor.
Now there are 3 heroes go this way, you can hear the people say. There is Brave Gun and McElroy and Maguire from Rosslea. But let them all say as they will, for me I'll say no more. But they need nothing to banish me from the shade of sweet Kilmore. It's a fig for all your riches, your houses and free lands. I feel far better pleasure to go rambling around the strand, where the wildfowl sing melodious their notes to join encore, and Phoebus shines triumphant on the lakes of sweet Kilmore. So to conclude and finish, I will tell the poet's name. He is that one, a Michael Gunn, a hero of great fame. But since she has forsaken me, of her I'll say no more. Oh, she is that bloomin' fair maid, young Mary from Kilmore.
During the 80s, we adopted the name Eamon O'Murray because of one of our founders, the teacher Eamon O'Murray. The 80s and the 90s were our golden years. We won multiple All-Irelands in duets, trios, solos, and of course the prize that we all long for, the All-Ireland Céilí bands and Grúpa Ceol. We won the under-15 Céilí band, we won the under-12 Grúpa Ceol, and the very special one that we won was the senior Grúpa Ceol. That was an amazing achievement. The annual Feis Davnet has been going for 31 years and it has been a major success. We normally have about 300 attending here, and the children are from age 6 right up to 15, and that really starts them on their musical journey. We have been very lucky. We have had 3 Gradam Ceol Awards from our members in our branch here. We were honoured with Donal McCaig. He was the youngest of the McCaig family. Donal got Young Musician of the Year. Then Sean Michael Wayne, also a member of our branch, he got his award for the research into music in the North Monaghan Slieve Bay area. And then we had our own Michael Rooney, composer, harper of great renown, and he got his award for the Composer of the Year. we've been very lucky down the years with our committee members. Jimmy Connolly has guided our branch for up 35 years, and he was a steady influence all along the way. And of course, we have Mackie and myself who have been here longer than we care to remember. I think at this stage it would be remiss of me not to mention two people that have gone to their eternal rest. And one of those is Mary Trader. Mary was our treasurer for over 30 years, a wonderful person, and we were very sad when she passed away suddenly a few years ago. And might I mention our own Deirdre Rooney. Deirdre was a character, talented singer, fiddle player, and she passed away about 17 years ago. So I mentioned those two people because they were two very special people and people who did a lot of work for our branch. If it was from the organising to the teaching of the music and spreading our culture far and wide. Tá Kirsty Gomai ag Eamon O'Murray ag CCE an seo, Tá Dolarai agus Táid an Buíoch the duine bháin go speisialta. We're very grateful to one person in particular who keeps the music going, who organises the classes, who teaches the classes, who organises everybody and teaches them for the plan, and that's Edel Connolly Morrison. And of course the other few teachers who are available and they help out as well. Ina well, buíogus mór de gach duine atá ag obair go dúireachtach agus go a fada buin gach duine.
Monaghan is known as the Drumlin County, and no finer example of this can be found at Tullycorbet no Tullacarbet, traditionally named after the steep hill at Terrageely, where St Patrick's chariot broke down on his journey through what was then known as the Kingdom of Oriel. Tullycorbet Comhaltas Comhaltarí Éireann was founded in 2004, and members have had much success in various competitions such as Score, Community Games and Flana at County, Ulster and All-Ireland level. Indeed, since its formation, the branch has had an All-Ireland winner every year. Under the direction of Francis McMahon, the branch has worked along with Carrickmacross Comhaltas Comhaltarí Éireann to form Grúpi Ceol and Céilí bands under the name Comhaltarí Drumlin. Let's hear on the Comhaltarí Iontaithe seo ó Tullycorbet.
Hello, I'm standing here in Terrageely. It's in the parish of Tullycorbet, and legend has it that on his journey through Oriel many years ago, St Patrick broke down here with his chariot, and he formed one of his churches here. He built one of his churches in a ring fort here, and that has given its name to the parish of Tullycorbet, which in Irish is Tullacorbet, which translates to the hill of the chariot. So this is where Tullycorbet has got its name, and it has a great affinity to St Patrick, with the local church in the parish being named St Patrick. So I'll just play a tune here to give that sort of link. I'll play that set down to say St Patrick's Day.
Thomasina agus Sean Maher. Myself and my father Bernard are going to sing The Jolly Farmer to the air of Mary Ploughboy about being a farmer in Drumhound in the 60s and going to the Congo, a nickname for the local hall.
I am a jolly farmer, I live up in Drumlane. I was christened down in Ballybay, and I went to school in Shane. I've always been a farmer since the day that I was born, and I work real hard from dawn to dark with the spuds and hay and corn. So I'm off to the Congo on my bike, in spite of rain or hail. I'm off to see the show tonight, I'm a past pupil of Shane. I joined Drumhound football team in the purple and the gold. I won the junior championship before I was very old. I played up in the forwards alongside the twins, and nothing cheered me up so much as to see Drumhound win. So I'm off to the Congo on my bike, in spite of rain or hail. I'm off to see the show tonight, I'm a past pupil of Shane. There's one I haven't mentioned yet, she's the girl that I adore. And I wonder, will she think of me when the fight for her rights is o'er? We'll settle down in Drumlane, the same as me poor old dad. When me race is run and me day is done, I'll be buried in Ballantrae. So I'm off to the Congo on my bike, in spite of rain or hail. I'm off to see the show tonight, I'm a past pupil of Shane.
agus sin Gerald Leonard show the Flatfest. We really hope that you've enjoyed the music, song and dance of our county as much as we have enjoyed putting on this show. Míle buíochas le gatainn a ghlac páirt an, and we look forward to meeting everybody once more in person at a flat, no matter where that may be. But until then, from all of us here, slán agus a mór.